HealthWarehouse honest review. Watch before using. HealthWarehouse is an online pharmacy based in the US that offers prescription and over-the-counter OTC medication at lower price. It is licensed and verified by the National Association of Broad Pharmacy (NABP) and operate as mail order pharmacy. And here are the key features about this platform. They sell prescription and OTC medication, including pet med. No insurance is required for discounted price, and also free standard shipping on order over $50, and also licensed and verified by NABP and VIPPS accredited, and also accepted prescription from US licensed doctor. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. Lower price compared to local pharmacies. No member or insurance needed for discount. Easy online ordering and prescription transfer. Free shipping, no qualifying order, and legitimate and licensed US pharmacy. And here's the downside about this platform. Shipping can take longer than local pharmacy, which is typically 5 to 7 days. No same day or overnight delivery option. Limited phone support and also some users report delay in prescription process. And here's the overall conclusion about this platform. HealthWarehouse is a reliable and an affordable option for ordering prescription and OTC medication online, especially for those without insurance. However, if you need medication urgently, the longer shipping time should be a drawback.